They're for the pegboard. Whoa, where'd you come from? Listen, that's not important. It's not important? What do you mean that's not important? No, it's not important. These are for the pegboard. So these are for the pegboard. These will help you be better organized with all this stuff up here. You're sure about that? Because yes, I'm sure. That doesn't make any sense. What would they even be used for? So what you need to do is design some things that will attach to these, that can hold batteries and things like that. And then you can 3D print them. And then you can just attach it all together and it'll work. So you're telling me that you put these on the pegboard and then you connect things to these and you can have better organization? These are the basis for a modular system that will allow you to organize whatever you want on a pegboard. They're amazing. So what do I need to do? First you have to figure out whatever you want to organize. Then you make some measurements, design it up in CAD, 3D print it, and then it'll all fit together and all working. It'll be nice and organized. All right, yeah, let's get started. Let's get to it. You know, if this is such a modular system and I can design whatever I want for them, that would be great. I think first I'll start with my batteries. I have a bunch of batteries I need to find a place for. So let's start with that. Alright, now that I got the measurements, what do I do next? Well, you have to go to your computer and model something up in CAD so you can 3D print it that will hold the batteries. Let's go do that. Okay, good. Alright, so I modeled it, then I sliced it. Now it's time to print it. Done. Hey, this looks pretty good. Yeah. So what's next? Well, those two connector pieces go inside the battery. These two? Okay. These go in the slot? Yes, but you put the connector pieces on the pegboard first. Oh, they go on the pegboard first, then. Okay. So let's put this on the pegboard then. That looks good. Now let's put the. Yep. Okay. Good. Nice. That works pretty well. Let's try it out with the battery. You want to try? Okay, let's try it. Okay. Nice. How about a second battery? Second battery? Yeah, it's, okay. It's made for it. Ah, crap. Ah, you forgot to measure the distance between the batteries, didn't you? Don't worry. I got your back. You fixed it for me? I fixed it for you. And print another one while I was sleeping, but I actually printed, wow, 3 more of them because you said you have 6 batteries. And you printed 3 more? So let's swap them out. You're amazing. Thank you so much for printing these. I mean, just look at this difference. This is so much more spacious. I'm sure these will work. Let's try it out. Much better. I'm gonna find a spot for these other two. Hey listen, thanks again for the system. It worked great. No problem, I'm happy to help. Yeah, and it was modular, just like you said. I took the connector piece and I designed these battery attachments around it. And once they printed up easily, without any supports, they fit right on the pegboard, and now my batteries have a place to be. Yeah, it's a great system, it's modular, you can design whatever you want to put on a pegboard. I mean really, the only limitation is your imagination. Yeah, and speaking of my imagination, I have a lot of things to organize, including these awkward edge guides. So I'm gonna get to that. Hey, thanks again, I'll see you later. Yep, well, I'm gonna let you get to it. I must get back to my people. All right, let's get to it.
guy came out of nowhere and bestowed upon me this great gift in my coffee of all places. But I'm very happy with how it came out. As you saw, I designed and printed a whole lot of different attachments for the system, and it's looking great on my pegboard. Everything is nice and organized, has a place where it should be, and that is how it should be. And so I'm very happy. I have places for all my pliers, measuring devices, my headphones, and ear protection while I'm working, chisels, screwdrivers, edge guides, glove box, and even a attachment that holds the Kreg pocket hole jig, which is really, really great. I'm happy with how that came out, I must say. But if you are interested in getting these files so you can print them at home for your own pegboard, I'll have a link in the description below where you can get those. I'll even have a version that works with the Ikea pegboard as well as the standard 1" by 1" grid pegboard that you often see. If you're interested in seeing any other videos about how I design things, what my process is, or more in-depth dive into how this system works, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to make a video about that. But if you did enjoy watching this video, I appreciate that like button or even subscribing if you want to see what comes next. Until then, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye.